Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a drying mat that you will love to leave out on your countertop, then you need to get this one.
Even though I have a dishwasher, there are some things that just need to be washed by hand. And having a drying mat out on the counter has always been such an eyesore for me. But this 24 by 16 diatomaceous earth drying mat from WBahatii is so beautiful. I love that you can have it rolled up and store it very easily, but you won't want to because look how gorgeous it is. Ultra fast water absorption, super easy to clean, even comes with a small sanding mat in case you want to get rid of any staining that might occur.
I love that this is fast drying, but my favorite thing about it is that it is so beautiful that I don't mind leaving it out on my counter. I am obsessed with this drying mat, and I think it is the perfect addition to any kitchen. And that's my point of view.